Hi, my name is Matt. I wanted to introduce you to Onboarding Flows through the food corridor. The Onboarding Flows feature helps you build and automate your onboarding process so you can get leads converted to paying clients quickly and efficiently. Implementing an effective onboarding process can result in increased lead conversion, higher renter engagement, and improved compliance. With Onboarding Flows, you can create multiple templates and checklists for different renters such as food trucks, caterers, or nonprofit community members. These checklists ensure critical tasks are completed by your clients in a clear and efficient way. Integrate and centralize tools by linking directly to external links in your onboarding checklists, and track progress, send automated notifications, and approve tasks for faster client conversion. From completing the kitchen application to scheduling a tour, learning policies, and signing contracts, Onboarding Flows ensures food businesses become engaged and compliant long-term renters without having to micromanage the process.